Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix your Google Drive storage full problem. So, method 1 is clearing unwanted files. Open your Google Drive application on your mobile phone, then tap on the menu icon at the top left and select Storage. Here, you'll have to simply click on More Details and you will see the amount of storage used and what's taking up the space. Simply click Clean Up Space and tap on any category like large files or photos or spam emails. So you can clean up services linked to that specific service. Like you can clean up storage from Google Drive, your Gmail, your Google Photos from just right here. Or you can also clean up your device storage. You can simply click on large drive files. Now it will open up this page where you can simply select the pictures that you can delete from your Google Drive and click delete. Now choose this and click permanently delete. After you do this, those photos will be instantly deleted from your Google Drive storage. Now, method 2 is managing Google Photos. Simply open Google Photos application on your mobile phone. Now, after opening the application, tap on your profile picture at the top right and you will see this page. Simply scroll down and click Free Up Space on this device. So, you can delete and free up space from here. The photos that are already backed up, you can remove them from Google Drive. Click Free Up Space, click Allow, and this will start deleting those pictures. You can see I just freed up this much space from my mobile. So, after you tap delete, it will remove them from your device but keep them in the cloud. Now, method 3 is cleaning Gmail. So, open the Gmail application on your mobile phone. Now, search for emails with large attachments by typing has attachment space larger than and enter the value like 5 MB or 10 MB. So I will enter this and click search. Now, it will search up for all the emails that will be larger than this much value that you will have written here. Simply select the email, click delete icon at the top and it will be deleted from your emails. Now, after deleting it from there, you can click three-line icon at the top left, then scroll down at the bottom and click bin. Now, make sure you select this and click empty bin icon. Now click empty and that specific email will be instantly deleted. Now, method 4 is using alternative cloud storage. So, if you don't want to pay for Google storage, you can use pCloud. Check the link in the description box below, click on that link and sign up for a free account. You get 10 GB of free storage. Sign in with your account. Now you can upload files directly to pCloud instead of Google Drive. Simply tap the plus icon and select the files to upload. Click upload file and choose the file that you want to upload. Select the folder and click select. Now it will instantly start uploading that photo. pCloud also offers lifetime plans so you can pay once and get storage forever. Now, method 5 is downloading files to your device. So if you have important files that you don't access often, download them to your phone storage. Simply open Google Drive. Now select the files that you want to download. So you can select them and hold them or you can select them individually. Now click on three-dotted icon in the top right and click download. This will instantly start downloading those specific files to your storage. Once downloaded, you can simply delete them from Google Drive to free up cloud space. Make sure to back up these files on an external SD card or USB drive to keep them safe. You can simply click three-dotted icon after they are downloaded, scroll down and click move to bin. Now click move to bin again, then click three-line icon in the top left, click bin and remove those files from here also. So click empty bin, click delete forever and those specific files will be instantly deleted. So these are the 5 methods to solve Google Drive storage full problem. Try the free methods first and then choose the option that works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.